Here's Angelina Hope Daily on February 11th, I think today is. So wait, don't go yet. In the biggest blizzard in the last century, where we have snow up the yin-yang, and I'm still trying to dig out our Civic, Angelina's going to attempt the one and only jump from the patio table into the big pile of snow trick. Angelina, how old are you today when you're attempting this stunt?
5.
Almost.
6.
All right, on the count of 3, ready? You're sure there's no chairs over that way, right?
No.
Okay, so jump as far as you can over here. Whoa. On your mark. A little bite of snow. Okay, thank God it's not yellow. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! All right. You gonna be a trooper?
Bye-bye.
All right, climb on out. Oh man, all right, I'm turning this off. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to all the folks that are watching your daredevil attempt. Wave.
Bye-bye.
Wave. I can't see your hands because they're covered in snow. You look like Frosty. All right. Okay. Bye-bye.